Hi, my name is Shashank Singh and I'm in my third year, sixth semester in Department of Biotechnology under Bennett University. Our TAs and our professors are there to guide us, but the entire lab we have to ourselves. We could experiment, the experiments that are ongoing, we build everything from scratch. Throughout the experiment, every semester, we learn every bit of it like it's research paper. We treat everything like a research paper, and you could have publications with your professors as well here because the labs are so sophisticated, so high-tech that you would never find it anywhere else. Now, it's not just that. We have a Bennett hatchery, and since the recent boom of biotechnology, we incubate startups here as well. The Bennett hatchery supports you from the ground up. From cricket, from football, from tennis, from table tennis, everything is here. I myself was a part of the powerlifting team. It's not just academics in Bennett University, it's a holistic experience where the individual grows along with the university.